Say hi, Matthew. Can you go play with the ball? Play with the ball. Where's the ball? Oh, yeah? Where's the ball? Can I kick the ball to you? Matthew. Throw me the ball. Can you throw it to me? What are you going to do with that ball? Can you kick it? You want the big ball too? Uh-oh. Stand up, stand up. Now why don't you kick the ball? Kick the ball. Can you kick it? Can you kick that ball? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.